welcome back to another video. I have an amazing product to show you. You guys see I usually have my hair down. Now it's in a bun with these like cute little curly things, and there's a reason why, even though you know I love having my hair down. Are you ready? Ding! This is a one pass hair straightener and is from Faszin, Faszin, I think that's what it's called. Unbox it together. I have not opened this up yet. Oh, let me show you the box that it did come in this box through the mail, but I took it out, and this is what we'll be unboxing. Let's talk about the packaging. So I like that on the box you can see there's a little bit of information on both sides. For me, that's important because you guys know I do not like to read manuals. So let's read what's on the side before we actually open it. It says here 3D flexible floating plate, one pass styling titanium plate. It talks about the inches and the specs on the plate here. Millions of ions, fast heat up text, and 360 swivel cord. So that is everything on both sides of the box. Okay, let's open it up. It comes with the manual that we won't use. And the cord is on this side, the flat iron is on this side. It comes with a bag because it's portable so that you can take it with you when you need to straighten your hair. They're matte black clips. Ooh, these are fancy looking. These are nice. They came in this little bag. So here are the matte clips to clip back your hair, so when you section, you take little sections to flat iron, you're able to do so with ease. And then we have the actual iron. Ooh, fancy. And that, I think this is really nice. Let's try to see about the swiveling. This is the 360 swivel that they talked about on the box. Here are the power button, the plus sign, and the minus sign for the ranges of the heat temperature and to power it on and off. The digital display will be displayed here, and then you have the plates. So overall, it's lightweight feeling. It seems to be pretty sturdy. And yeah, let's start heating this up so that we can try it out on curly hair. Also, just so you know, it comes closed, locked like this. So there is a little button that you slide here to pop it open.
I love that.
Okay. That's actually really good for safety, because imagine if you have a big family, you live with a lot of people, and there's kids around. The fact that this stays locked is really, really important. The cord length is pretty long, so I'm excited about that. I'll check the box to see what the actual length is, but let me start letting it heat up, and then we'll go more about the specs that are on the actual box. It started, so you have to actually hold on to the power button for about 2 seconds for it to turn completely on. And it says that it's on, and it's heating up very, very fast. Like, it's already hot, and it's only been about maybe 5 seconds. The plus sign, the highest it goes is to 450. The lowest is 260. So we are going to do midpoint, I think, because I'm gonna do 380 just to see, because I don't want to go all the way to 400 because my hair is very curly and I do not want heat damage. So let's try 380. It's gonna keep moving up until it gets to that number. All right, so let's read a little bit more information about this. The model number is 5100. It's Ionic Frizz-Free straightener. That is the product name when you want to purchase it, because you probably should. So let's read just a little bit more information here. This is what is on Amazon. We have dynamic real-time temperature display, which I showed you, the digital display. It heats up in about 20 seconds, which I think is definitely true, because within 5 seconds it was already very, very, very hot. Aerospace-grade smooth glide titanium plates, and 10mm high concentration ion generator, And yeah, that's pretty much it on Amazon. It does come in 3 colors, black, pink, and white. I have the white one. And it says here, 2-in-1 hair straightener, hair smoothing iron. It says frizz-free with 1 pass. Well, we'll see, because this side is very, very frizzy and this side is controlled. So if I can get 1 pass out of this, that would be pretty dope. Let's pass. It says 1 pass. It says 1 pass, you guys. Okay. I'm looking at my best friend right now because honestly, I didn't believe it. I didn't believe the hype at all. I'm like, 1 pass. I go to the Dominican salon, they pass the plancha, the straight iron, the flat iron, literally like 5-6 times. You see a bunch of smoke, like, poof. But that really was 1 pass. That really was 1 pass. Like, look at this. Look. Even my dog is shocked. I don't even know what to say. Like, that's it. That is insane. Not a frizz in sight. Not a frizz in sight. Do you see a frizz?
No, in the root maybe, but it's because you didn't like.
I didn't really pull on the root. Yeah, that's insane. What the fuck? And that's at 380. That's not even at the full temperature. That's insane. All right, now let's try this really tight curl one and see what happens. What? There's a little bit of curl, but I mean, that curl was tight. That curl was really tight. So honestly, that's not bad. For a really, really tight curl, so this one needed 2 passes, but the curl is gone. Wow. Wow. I'm impressed. Oh, I really didn't expect this to be good. Okay, so I'm gonna take the level of heat down because now my best friend is gonna come on and she is going to show you how it is on perfect hair because she has straight hair and never has any problems with her hair. And she's gonna show what it's like on perfect hair because her hair is straight and she doesn't have to struggle like the rest of us.
Hi guys.
Here you go for you. Here, I don't know if you need any of this stuff.
Yeah, let me get this. I got grabbed that, sorry.
It's okay. And this feels very smooth, by the way. My hair feels very smooth right now.
Okay, so I'm gonna take out a little bit. I just cut my hair, so I'm still trying to get used to my short hair. So I straightened it yesterday and tried to curl it, but it just like completely dropped. This side is wet because I just wet it. Do this.
So she has one side that's dry and the other side that is wet. But her hair is naturally straight, but it does have some frizz. Wavy.
Yeah. Okay. So these 2 sides. I'm gonna try without any product.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you can put up the heat that you need over here. So do you want me to put out a specific number? This is the lowest setting.
The same settings you had it at.
Oh, so that was 380, yeah. So we'll do 380. So that's about, 380 is about mid-range because it goes up to like 460.
Okay. So we'll wait.
We gotta wait
it's
just a couple of seconds.
Up very high. Like it's already at 290. 290. Now it's at 320. That is quick.
Yeah.
The numbers are just going up higher.
You can see the heat from the product that I used is on the plate, but that's fine.
Yeah.
Let me just unhook it. Oh, you can do it. You just press it back and it pops up. Yep.
I love that. That's a good feature.
It's a very good feature.
It's very quick.
Yep, there you go. We're at 380.
Literally, that's it.
380.
So, I'll try and... I know there's going to be smoke because my hair is wet, obviously.
Yeah, so don't be alarmed.
Kind of slow.
There's like no smoke really coming out of yours.
There.
Oh, there we
more
go.
Wet on the bottom.
Estamos cocinando aquí. Nice.
But it's pretty dry. It's pretty dry.
For your hair, it looks a little bit like a blowout, like this bottom part, that little curl in.
So then I'm gonna do it again.
She's gonna pass it again, and this is at 380 on wavy, frizzy hair. And I don't see any frizz either.
Boom.
Nice.
That was nice.
That was nice. Let's like move it a little bit.
Yeah. And then the bangs a little.
It looks like a blowout, honestly.
Boom. That's good.
Ooh, that is nice. That's very nice.
So this side was just frizzy from yesterday.
Yeah, look at that.
There's a little bit of like curl to it, the bottom. It's frizzy. So what I'll do for this side is I'll do curls since it's already whatchamacallit, since it's already straight. So I'll do this. But it's at a high temperature again. So
yeah, so mine was at a low and my curl's kind of falling flat a little bit.
Wow, that's nice.
Oh, that is a nice curl. That is a really nice curl.
I'm going to do this the opposite way so that there's a little bit of volume. I didn't do like one side. Oh, those bangs. There we go. Sorry. And then the bangs, and then that's it.
Told you her hair was perfect. Look at that. Look at that curl.
Look, I brushed it out and everything. It bounces.
Oh, it's so pretty.
Nice. This is way better than my flat
Okay,
iron.
you can do one side.
That's nice.
I like it.
I'll do it quick too.
Okay. I want my curls like hers. Oh, I like it, the little tiki tiki tiki. Okay, do that side.
Okay. So I'm gonna do it away from your face. So. There you go. That's cute. It looks shiny too. Like when you look at it, it looks shiny and healthy. Doesn't look burned at all.
Yeah, yours too. So let's go like a little bit closer. So, ooh, that was my phone. Let's go a little closer and you can kind of see, hopefully, the little bit of shine. You could do yours too if you want.
So for me, I noticed this is very, a little bit frizzy just because I didn't have any product.
Yeah.
And I know my natural hair is frizzy. This side was
Super
already
shiny.
straight, but it's shiny.
Yeah.
And I have some like old highlights and stuff. I don't know where it is. So like it's good for dyed hair as well. It's right there.
And I actually recently colored my hair,
So yeah, it looks shiny. I like it a lot.
Any final thoughts?
I think that I love this product.
I think she's gonna come to the house and use it a lot.
I'm gonna come over a lot. I'm just gonna curl this side as well. So this side has no product as well.
And what I'm looking forward to with this flat iron, because I typically wear my hair curly, but sometimes I want it straight. But if I can like fake the bun like I did this, then I'll just use it like this. But also when I do straighten my hair, like October is coming up and I'll be straightening my hair for my birthday, I can maintain the hair longer after it's been straightened because I'll have the flat iron.
Yeah. They got my vote. They got my vote. Because I don't have any product in here. And look, it's bouncy. I like it.
And if you wanted to purchase this right now, they do have a really big discount, like big discount. And I'll leave all that information in the description box below. So yeah, I'm gonna power it off. I think you have to hold it just as much as you hold it down to turn it off. And yeah, it's off. And my final thoughts are the same. I really like this product. I think it's really cool. I think it's easy to use, and I like that it was one pass and my curls were just done. Like you didn't even see them with one pass. And for those who are like me and are afraid of damaging their hair because their hair is like natural texture, then the one pass, you can get away with one pass and then styling, or even doing a one pass. And then if you have time on the weekend, do the heatless curls. So do the one pass and then wrap it in the heatless curl. And then in the morning you'll have kind of similar to what she has without having to pass the flat iron many times.
So much, yeah.
Yeah.
Do that as a base.
Yeah, as a base.
You'll be fine.
And then it'll be fine.
Like that.
Yeah. So I hope you like this video, Denise. And until our next video.
Huh?
What do I do at the end of the video?
I don't know. She was like, I'm like, what? I wasn't thinking. I was like, huh?
I don't
know. This is a test I wasn't ready for.
I always do besos at the end.
Oh, no. I'm not mentally here. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.